Yesterday, Margao was the scene of a healthy initiative. The Directorate of Food and Drugs Administration, in collaboration with FSSAI and Ravindra Bhavan Margao, organized the Eat Right Walkathon 2025. The 5-kilometer walk, flagged off by former Chief Minister and Margao MLA Digambar Kamath and Director of FDA Mrs. Shweta Desai, saw over 750 people participate, walking from Ravindra Bhavan to Alam Circle and back. This initiative by FSSAI aims to promote healthy eating habits and physical activity, encouraging general fitness and helping prevent lifestyle diseases. Dignitaries including Dr. Manohar Borkar, GPMA President Dr. Praveen Khullar, Director of Women and Child Welfare Mr. Manuel Barreto, and Mr. Sanjay Bhandari from Nestle India were present. The event kicked off with a lively 10-minute Zumba session, followed by the walkathon itself. Organizers expressed their gratitude to the Traffic Police, the Police Department, the Sports Authority of Goa, and the Directorate of Health Services for their support in making the event a grand success.